Hello everyone! Today let's talk about how to use this polishing and cleaning machine and how the comparison effect is after polishing with this machine. First, we will connect the power cord to the device. Then add an appropriate amount of clean water to the polishing basin, and note not to add too much water at the beginning to avoid water overflowing during polishing. After adding water, pour the polishing needle into the polishing bucket. Add the polishing powder to the polishing bucket as well, which can enhance the polishing effect. Next, place the jewelry or items that need polishing into the polishing bucket, and don't forget to cover them. Finally, press the polishing mode. Turn the knob to the appropriate polishing time, and it's done. The number 10 next to the knob means 10 minutes. After the polishing time is up, the device will automatically stop polishing, and at that point, you can pour out the items inside.